Hello and welcome to the Ryobi workshop. Today I'm going to show you Ryobi's 4-volt USB lithium clamp fan. This fan is the latest addition to our expanding USB lithium range and is a must-have for keeping cool on a hot day. This is a perfectly designed clamp fan. Its 180 degree tilting and 325 degree rotating head means you can direct the airflow exactly where it's needed. With a clamping capacity of 32 millimeters, you can easily attach the fan to gym equipment, a bedside table, desk, or even a pram. The fan has 2 speed settings, allowing you to quickly and simply change between high and low modes. As seen with the rest of the USB lithium range, this clamp fan has a removable 4-volt battery, which is compatible with any other USB lithium tool. Make sure you check out the Ryobi website to find our full USB lithium range.